Hi, I am Vashish from droidguns.com and today we are going to review this newly bought HyperX Quadcast mic. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this box and see what's inside. Just opening the main seal from here. And just like the Blue Yeti mic, I will unbox it the same way. Man, let's just put it like this and then slowly pull the box. Now you will see the magic right here in front of you. So just pull one side of it. Okay, I see there is a see this here you can put your and then first right here you will see these are really hardly tucked things. You need to pull this really tightly and it will sound like something is broken, but trust me, you are not breaking anything, you're just unleashing the power. So here is the mic, here is the stand as well, and another thing is the wire. The best thing about the mic is its wire, and I'm telling you, this is really wide wire. If you want to record something from a camera or something and you need a really long distance, then you have got the power with this mic. See. And also one more thing you get with this is this holder that you can use with your bamboo arm, something like that. And here is something with which you can adjust the angle, and this is somewhere you can tap and mute and unmute it. And down below you have to just remove this. It was right here. Now you can see that this is the volume controller right under it, so you can turn on or increase the volume and make it the lowest as possible. And this is not RGB mic. You can buy the RGB one on Amazon, which is different. So this is only red color, it will only pop red color. Let me show you this in the night also. You guys can see this mic is on. Now you will tap it, it is mute, and once you tap it again, it's again lighting like really like lava from a volcano. So thank you guys for watching this. We'll be uploading another video with its test with different modes. You can see I forgot to show you a few more things, like you can change the mode from here, right here. It's 4 modes out here, just like the Blue Yeti mic as well. And the cable, the power cable right here. And you can also plug in your 3.5 mm jack right there and listen to the whatever is being recorded. So that's pretty cool about this mic. And if you want to take it away and use in a different kind of bamboo arm or something, that is also possible. And it is not pretty heavy. You can use it with any kind of stand that's available for a condenser mic with a shock mount. Thank you guys.